So hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel by the name of Digital Ninja. I hope you are feeling well and I welcome you to a new tutorial video. So in this video I want to show you how you can shut down your computer. So there are many different ways to shut down your computer, so I am going to tell you the 10 most important and essential ways. So stay till the end of this video with me and you will learn these 10 methods. So let's begin our methods. So the first method is a very easy method and it is very common among the computer users. You can see this. Just click on it and then click on this shutdown icon and then press this shutdown. So I don't want to press this because my computer will shut down. Or you just simply click Win key from your keyboard and you can see this window has opened. Just click here and then go and shut down your computer. So this was the first method. So let's go to the second method. So welcome to the second method. The second method is called keyboard shortcut. So from our keyboard, just we have to press Alt plus F4 and you can see here the shutdown window has opened. Suppose if you didn't find shutdown here, just click in this arrow down button and from here just select shutdown and then press OK. So I don't want to press because my computer will shut down, so I'll press cancel. So this was second method. Let's go to our third method. And now we are in the third method. Third method is called command prompt method or CMD method. From search here, just click CMD, press enter. Now here we have to type a command which is shut down space /s space /t and 0. So just press enter. If we press enter, the computer will shut down. So this is called the third method and it is known as a CMD or command prompt method. So it's all from the third method. So let's go to our fourth method. So now we are in the fourth method. The fourth method is known as a power user menu. So we have to press Window key plus X from our keyboard and you can see, just come down here in this section. You can see this window. From here just we have to press this shutdown button and our computer will shut down. So I don't want to press this, and this is our fourth method. So let's go to our fifth method. So now we are in the fifth method. So for accessing fifth method, we have to press a shortcut key from our keyboard. So we have to press Ctrl Alt plus Delete key from our keyboard. So after pressing Ctrl Alt plus Delete screen from our keyboard, so we'll come here in this screen. So I record this with my mobile because screen recorder cannot record here. So we have to go here in this right corner of our screen. This power button. We have to press this power button and our computer will shut down. So I'll cancel this because I cannot shut down my computer right now. So I press cancel and we will come back here in our screen. So this is all from fifth method. So let's go to our sixth method. So welcome to the sixth method of shutting down our computer. So in the sixth method, it is known as a physical power button. In this method, we have a physical keyboard. You can see here the power button. So we have to press this power button for at least 5 to 6 seconds, and our computer will shut down. So I don't recommend this method because it will hurt our computer, and we can do this in one condition: if our computer freezes and no other method works. So we have to follow this method. This is from our sixth method. So let's go to our seventh method. So ladies and gentlemen, now we are in our seventh method of shutting down our computer. So in this method, we have to press Win key plus R from our keyboard, and our run window will open, and here we have to type the command shut down, and after that we have to press /+S, and from here we have to press enter key from our keyboard, and our computer will shut down after some seconds. So just do it and practice it, and you will learn it easily. So this is our seventh method. Let's jump to our eighth method. So friends, welcome to our eighth method of shutting down our computer. So in eighth method, it is known as a using task manager method. So to access this method, just press Ctrl Shift plus Escape from our keyboard, and this task manager window will open. From here, just click Run New Task, and here you have to write Shutdown command. Down /S and press enter, or press OK from here, and your computer will shut down. Also, you can access this task manager from here. Just right click in the taskbar and just press this task manager, and we access here this task manager, and then we can press run new task, and here we can type shutdown /S and press OK. Our computer will shut down. So this is from our eighth method. Let's jump to our ninth method. So friends, welcome to the ninth method of shutting down our computer. This method is known as creating shutdown key in your desktop icon. So to make this icon, or to make a quick access shutdown key in our desktop, just right click from our keyboard and go to new, and then go to shortcut. From here we have to type the command, which is shut down. So shutdown.exe or execute space /s space /t and then 0. So now we have to press next, and we have to name this PC shut down, and then we have to press finish. Now you can see that our shutdown button is created here. Now we have to give it a proper icon. Just right click on it and then we have to go to properties. From here we have to change the icon. So from this icon we have to click this shutdown icon and then OK. Press apply and OK. Now you can see that we have created a shutdown icon in our desktop. Just if we want to shut our computer down, we have to press this shutdown button. Also another way to make a shutdown icon, just we have to open our Notepad and here we have to type shutdown /s/t0 and we have to save this. The shutdown dot bat file, and from here we have to select all files and then we have to save it in our desktop. Now you can see that our shutdown key has created here. To shut down our computer, we just have to press this and our computer will shut down. This is all from our 9 method. So let's go to our 10 method. So friends, welcome to the last method of shutting down our computer. This method is known as a remote access method. With this method we can access our computer from remote area and we can shut down our computer from remote. So in this method our computer must be connected to a network so that we can access through cloud or through internet and can shut our computer. But I cannot show this method to you because my computer is not connected to a network. So I apologize for this, and you can practice other methods that I have taught you. Until next video, I thank you for your patience and watching my all videos. And till next video, have a good time and see you in the next videos. And also I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and share my videos to your friends and family. And I want your comments. If you have any views, any thoughts about my videos, you just can comment your comment in the comment section. Until next video, have a good time and have a good day. See you later in the next video. Have a good time. Bye bye.